All right, guys, what do we got here? Kliens Tradesman Tool Runner Bag. Supposed to be in competition with the Vito Pro Pack amongst others. It has 39 pockets. A hard case bottom on the plastic, weather resistant. You got pouches that's in the front, so the same thing that you see on this side is the same thing that you see on the other side over here. You got a couple of D-rings right here. Something to hold tape or anything. You have a side pouch that is right here. Turn it around again. You got pens, pencils, marker holder, tape holder, D-rings. Right here, you have a nice rubber handle up top. Stands up for the most part, pretty nice. Again, you have a couple of compartments that's in the front. Hard to do this with one hand. So same on the other side. On the interior, you have a nice strap. Looks comfortable. And you have some space right down in here. You have another interior pouch here. Opens up pretty nice. Two nice big pockets here. Again, you can put some bits right down in here or some pencils. Turn it around, look on the other side. Again, you have the same exact thing. One side mimics the other. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the new Kliens tool bag. Leave me a like. Remember to subscribe. Pick this one up from Lowe's. It's not in the regular tool bag aisle. It is in where the Christmas aisle would be, or you see some Christmas decorations in there. That's where I found this one at my Lowe's.